Without the app, I've driven past this dozens and dozens of times. Aloha, my name is Eric West with hawaiianrealestate.org. If you're new to the channel, we're all about teaching you everything you really need to know about Hawaii, but you can't find anywhere. This is a road trip like no other you've ever taken in your entire life, and the spectacle, the beauty is really amazing. It is truly one of the most adventurous, cool things I think you can do on a vacation, period, anywhere in the world. The key though is to do it right and to know what you're doing ahead of time, and while you're driving to have a guide telling you exactly where to stop, where not to stop. And there's two different apps that are available to you, and in this video I'm going to tell you the best one to use. So we've got the two apps downloaded here, Maui, Shaka Maui, and the Gypsy Guide, Hana Guide. And don't forget to look in the description link in the video. You'll see a link to the absolute best app for taking the road to Hana. So the first thing I like about the Shaka app is that there's multiple tours. You've got the classic road to Hana, you've got the reverse way to Hana, you've got the loop road to Hana, and you also have the sunrise Haleakala tour and the sunset stargazing Haleakala tour and the West Maui coastline tour. So just a lot of options versus just one way to Hana and back. So a lot more information, I think, a lot better bang for your dollar with the Shaka tour.
Hey, como mai! Welcome to the Shaka Guide's Road to Hana driving tour.
Woo! Here we go.
I'm telling you right now, hey, it's going to be a great day as we drive and tour together on the beautiful Hana Highway.
The road to Hana. To go or not to go? That is the question. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the most important questions you have to ask yourself before you go. And then number two, what's the best way to tackle this adventure so that you get the absolute best memory out of it and use your time wisely. So let's get started. To me, the big purpose of this whole video is to show you where to stop, right? Because anybody can just drive the road to Hana and turn around and come back. But really, it's all about the journey and where you stop and check out the waterfalls and go on hikes. So obviously there's a lot of places to stop. So what are the best places to stop? And that really is the focus of this video, is to show you, hey man, of all these places I could stop on the road to Hana, what are the best ones? And I don't want to miss the good stuff. Okay, let's talk about some of the do's and don'ts for going to Hana. Number one, get the app. Absolutely. As a matter of fact, I recommend you order all the tours for the island of Maui because it's just like a great way to know where to go, where to stop, and just really good information. It's like having your own personal tour guide that you can turn off if you need a break, but it's a really amazing resource. Make sure you download the app though before you get to Paia. Do not try to download it after Paia. Best, download it while you're still in your hotel room, and you can get them all downloaded at once. Number two, try to leave early as possible. If you get a late start, that's fine, but it's always best to leave as early as you can, or better yet, plan to stay in Hana. There's little cottages, you can just Google up, Hana cottages for rent. There's a lot of cool little spots you can stay. To me, that's the favorite way to go, because in the morning, you can experience Hana and the 7 pools first thing in the morning before the crowds get there. And the third tip is bring lots of food. If you have any propensity for getting car sick, sit in the front, take your turn driving, chew gum, take whatever you gotta take with the ears or whatever, but don't skip the trip. The road to Hana is absolutely one of the best. It's like a marvel of modern day, just the road itself, the waterfalls that you get to see, the hikes that you get to go on, and of course, the banana bread when you get to Hana is the best banana bread on planet Earth. So just keep that in the back of your mind. You're going for the banana bread. And then my other tip would be, because I've done this too many times, you get kind of stacked up with hikes and waterfalls way early in the trip, and then you never make it to the 7 falls. You never make it past Hana, and some of the coolest stuff actually is after Hana. So be sure to listen to the guide and try to get to the other side of Hana. I'd say, no later than like 1 o'clock, so you can see all the cool stuff that's past Hana town.